There's a field type in Zoho CRM called Rollup Summary. I'm going to show you how to use a Rollup Summary. And in this video, I am going to take an account or accounts, and we're going to total the amount of all of the deals associated with that account. That is how you would use a Rollup Summary. But first, before we jump into this video, please make sure you like the video if it's helpful to you. That not only helps us to reach more people, but then also it just kind of helped me understand what is really helpful to you guys. All right, let's get started. We are in the accounts module right now. This is a demo site, hence the reason why everyone has the same phone number. But we're going to use the accounts module to create our Rollup Summary fields. All right. First, we're going to go to the settings and go to the accounts module. And you will notice this is fairly new, if I'm not mistaken. I think they are still doing some development on this feature. So there could be, some additional capabilities that it will have in the future. But as for now, it has its, advantages. So I'm going to just kind of drag and drop this over. And what I would like to do, I'm going to create some fields for a few things. I want to create a field for the number of deals in total. Actually, we'll do the number of deals won. Okay. So for an account, you will be able to see the total number of deals won. We're going to save that field. I know there's a max on how many rollup fields you can have in a module. I just can't remember what it is at this moment. If I do find out, I'll drop it in the description. Let's also create one for the total deals lost. And why stop there? Let's do one more. I'm going to show you guys, as I promised, the total amount. So let's do the deals won revenue with 2 decimals. Let's save and close. So now when we go to the accounts module, we have those 3 fields: total deals won, total deals lost, deals won revenue. Now, there's one deal associated with this. Okay, it is closed won, so we will see this amount. As you can see right now, it is still calculating the values for this field. So it's going to give us a notification when it's done, and then we'll go back and look at this number again. We can see now that the calculation is now complete. So we're going to go back up to the top and refresh. And now we see we have one deal won and the revenue of $650. Now, what I also want to do is add it to this view. So we have the total deals lost, total deals won, and then the revenue. For any account listed here, we will see these numbers. So we've got some here. We can see some totals over here. Now this can be useful in various situations, and like I said, they're still doing some development on this feature, so maybe it will be able to do more in the future. But this is pretty handy. There you go. If you have questions, this was quick and simple and easy. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer your questions. And then also you can always join our community so that you can collaborate with other Zoho users, and then also myself. And then we can all just, of course, learn from each other. All right, guys, until next time.